To build the reception frame, follow these steps. Step 1. Attach each leg to its matching slab, tightening the leg bolts until the joints are firm. Step 2. Insert the camlock screws into the pre-drilled holes at both ends of the slab. Step 3. Align the slab with the main desk panels and slide the camlock screws into their receiving holes. Step 4. Insert the camlock nuts into the desk panels. Turn each nut clockwise and tighten until the slab locks securely in place. To attach the return to the main desk, follow these steps. Step 1. Align the return frame flush with the main desk frame. Step 2. Position a flat bracket across the back panels, spanning both the desk and the return, and drive the screws to lock the frames together. Step 3. Attach 2 additional flat brackets to the underside of the main desk so the return tabletop will rest on them. Step 4. Flush the return tabletop with the main desk. Then drive screws through the brackets into the return to secure it firmly to the main desk.